in Serbia started in 2003. And its first focus was actually more on the municipal companies itself. So we had long discussions in Niš with company Vidjana. We worked on Kragujevac, how to split up the municipal company in more efficient parts. But we soon realized that this kind of job is so time-consuming, it's actually a full-time job, that it could not be combined with the overriding goals the project had. So we have somewhat shifted away and not focused as much as in the beginning on the companies itself. And actually we are quite glad to have now a competent team here and a strong focus on this work directly on and with municipal companies, which is badly needed. I will not go into details because there are speakers following me. I would like to stress that with the EU directives coming on the horizon, not necessarily the service quality will go up, the cost will go up, and the need for efficiency is clearly on the table, and no municipality can avoid to face the need for efficiency. And there may be all these different solutions. I'm glad that the Standing Conference, the committee, together with the ministries in charge, has taken the lead in organizing this process, and it's really good to have all the main actors around the table, Comgel, the Chamber of Commerce, the ministries of course, and to have, let's say, a composition of activities and interests